Last quarter, 56-58 lamang ang aces. Last quarter.
Wala ko ah.
Hi, Prince. Si Prince nasa live.
Wala ko.
Hi kayo.
Sinang
Prince.
To Hilario.
Si Prince, yung kasama nyo naglalaro.
Hilario with the ball.
Yung kasama nyo nga, yung
To
malaki.
Agustin.
ay
14 on the shot clock. Back to Agustin.
Yung malaking bata.
10 to shoot.
si Chan.
3 seconds violation.
Taga rito, oh, yung nagbabalik. Taga rito lang yata yun.
Ay, doon.
To
Di ka naman
Velasco.
nagpa-practice. Di ako practice ko ulit.
Bakit di ka
Arday.
nakapunta?
Arday. Punta
Pablo with the ball. Fires. 3 points.
Hindi ko pa nagawa yung video nyo
Lamang
nung
ng
nag-training.
isa ang Team Zelda.
Saka sa ano. Try ko gawin sa Webes.
No good. Rebound. Here comes the Zelda. Velasco with the ball. To Pablo. Pablo for 2.
Yung bola ngay, yung bola ngay, yung team nyo ngay, yung bola nila.
Hilario with the ball.
Muntikan ko na na-steal, di ba?
14 to shoot. To Agustin.
58 lamang ang
Agustin.
Zelda.
Jumper.
Bugay!
In and out. Rebound. By
Kaya
Messina.
bugay!
Lamog ka.
Foul on
Hindi
jersey
giniginaw.
number 6.
Sa bagay.
Kaya bugay!
First
Laro ka
personal
na laro.
foul. First team foul.
Si LeBron James. LeBron James. Pre, laro tayo dun.
Velasco with the ball. Velasco to Messina. Fakes. Drop pass to Abalahin for 2. 58-60. 58-63.
Lamang na ang Zelda. 63-58.
Maganas. Back to Agustin. No good. Rebound. By Maganas. Agustin again. Fakes. 10 to shoot. Agustin fires. 2 points.
63-60.
Intercepted by Ture.
Lamang ang
20
Zelda.
seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Enriquez fires. No good. Rebound. The follow-up. Wala pa rin. Pablo. 2 points. Timeout. Aces.
65-60 lamang ang Zelda.
Official score
Last
65-60.
quarter.
Aces ball.
Kaya mo naman!
To Agustin. To Pre. 14 on the shot clock. Agustin with the ball. 10 to shoot. Steal by Abalahin to Velasco. Velasco. No good. Rebound by Pre. To Agustin. To Hilario. 14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Agustin, long tray. No good. Rebound by Hilario. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sabado. Jumper. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Messina. To Velasco. Enriquez, no good. The follow-up, no good. Rebound by Pablo. To Hilario. Hilario drives to Sabado. Jumper, 2 points. Velasco with the ball. 14 on the shot clock. To Messina. Open three. No good. Rebound by Hilario. Still by Messina. Messina for two.
67-62
Official
lamang
score
ang Zelda.
67-62. Sabado to Pablo. Pablo to Agustin. 14 to shoot. Meron tayong foul. Foul on jersey number 12. Fourth personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. To Hilario. Hilario, no good. Rebound by Sabano on the putback, 2 points. Six minutes left on the last quarter.
67-64
To Pablo, 14 on the shot clock.
lamang ang Zelda.
10 to shoot. Pablo drives. Pablo, no good. Rebound by Hilario to Agustin. Ahead pass, touchdown to Arenas. No good. Rebound by Pablo.
Ayan.
Ten to shoot. Nabalahin, steal by Arenas to Hilario.
Nabawi niya ni Arenas.
Pablo to Sabado, 2 points. Baba sa isa ang Kalamangan. 66-67.
Pa-shoutout po kay Idol Zeus, sabi ni Braver. Hello, Adi.
Ilumin,
Wala ka
14
dito
on the
ngayon,
shot
ah.
clock.
Hindi sila
10 to
naglalaro.
shoot.
Sa gilid.
No good. Rebound by Sabado. Lamig. To Hilario.
Kala ko ako lang
drives
na lamig.
Hilario.
Lamig din
2
pala sila.
points.
Uy, sa
Time
lang ang
out.
lamang ng Zelda, 67.
Team
Ay,
Zelda.
lamang na ang ano, Aces, 67-68.
Official score 68-67.
Ayun sila. Oh.
Sell the ball. Enriquez.
Wendeng, nandito si Zeus. Nandun sila naglalaro. Tatlo sila, ay apat.
Velasco
Si
with the
30,
ball
tsaka si
to
Joe.
Abalain. 14 on the shot clock. To
67-68
Enriquez.
lamang ang
10
Aces
to
isa.
shoot. It's still by Sabado. Here comes the Aces. Sabado. Layup, no good. Rebound by Abalain.
Ay!
To Hilario, to Arenas. Arenas! Basket!
Oh!
Foul on jersey number 28. Third personal foul.
67,
Second
70.
team foul. Basket. To Velasco. 67-71. Apat ang kalamangan ng Team Aces. 14 on the shot clock.
Shoutout po, Ma'am Faye.
To Messina, 10 to shoot, fires 3 points.
Grabe si Aldridge.
Baba ulit sa isa.
Tamang hila.
To Pablo. 14 to shoot. Back to Agustin. Agustin, jumper. No good. Rebound by Velasco. To Pablo. Guarded by Hilario. Pablo drives. Pablo to Enriquez. Foul on jersey number 15. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul.
Bali na score 2 rin. Isa ang lamang ng Aces, 70-71.
No good.
70-71
Second
lamang
throw.
ang Aces ng isa. 3 minutes and 33. Last quarter.
Short. Rebound. Enriquez 10 on the shot clock. Pablo fakes. Pablo intercepted. Velasco 5 to shoot. Pablo 2 points.
Lamang na ang Zelda, 72-71. Ganda ng laban nila. 3 minutes and 12 seconds.
Agustin to Sabado. 14 to shoot. Intercepted by Abalain. To Velasco. Meron tayong foul. Foul on jersey number 14. Substitution. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Tatagal tayo, puro foul na tayo laban. Kanina tambakan eh.
3 minutes exactly on the fourth. Basket. 73-71.
Hindi na masakit. Ano, lamog. Lamog na lang daw.
To Augustine.
Tries to beat ang kalaban nila, Pablo
Augustine
dito.
with the ball. 14 on the shot clock. Arenos 10 to shoot. Arenos spins to Pablo.
Kalaban niya
Pablo
yung
attacks.
kapatid niya.
2 points.
Pablo din.
To Velasco. 14 to shoot. Velasco. 10 to shoot. Velasco. No good. Rebound by Hilario. Here comes the Aces. To Pablo. Here comes Pablo.
Traveling.
Foul on jersey number 12. 5 fouls.
Nay,
Third personal foul.
nag-beat na si Velasco.
Third
74.
team foul pala. 5 fouls. Third team foul.
74-73. Lamang ang Zelda.
To Arenos. 14 on the shot clock. To Sabado. Sabado. Layup. 2 points.
24-75.
Last 2 minutes.
Lamang ang Aces isa.
75-74.
Salitan na lang sila.
Isa ang kalamangan ng Team Aces. To Pablo. Pablo is still
Uy, Steve.
to Agustin. 3 on 1.
Ay!
Hilario. To Ilumin.
Lumin.
Ilumin with the ball. To Enriquez. 14 to shoot. Abalahin with the ball. Abalahin ang didiskarte ngayon sa Zelda. Tapal. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball. 6 to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot.
1 minute and 20. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Last
75,
quarter.
74.
74-75.
1 minute and 23 seconds remaining. To Arenos. To Agustin. 75-74 isa ang kalamangan ng Aces. To Sabado. Sabado. Black by Pablo. Here comes the Zelda. Pablo nagmamadali. Pablo, no good. Pero meron tayong foul.
Grabe
Foul on
laban.
jersey number 23. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
74-75
1 minute and
lamang
7
aces.
seconds. May dalawang timeout pa po ang both teams. Basket.
All na. All,
All
75.
75.
Ang ganda ng laban. Twice to beat dito yung aces, guys.
Basket.
Lamang po ang Zelda, 76-75.
Augustine, 76-75. To Pablo. 1 minute left. 14 on the shot clock. Augustine with the ball. 10 to shoot. Sabado with the ball. 5 to shoot. Sabado. 46 seconds remaining.
46 seconds left.
Both teams may take dalawang
76-75.
timeout na po tayo.
76-75.
76-75. To Enriquez. To Ilumin. Fires! 3 points! To Agustin. 79-75.
Secret weapon na
Here comes
Ringan.
Hilario. Drives. Meron tayong foul.
79-75. Lamang ang Zelda.
Foul on jersey number
Sayang!
91. Second personal foul. Warning. No good. Let's throw. Jumpers ready. 30.8 seconds remaining. Hilario. No good. Rebound by Messina. Aces ball. 14 to shoot. 29 seconds. To Arenas, back to Agustin. Fires! No good. Rebound. 8 to shoot. Blocked. 5 to shoot. Back to Agustin. 3 to shoot. Fires. No good. Rebound by Sabado.
Oh,
Arenas fires. No good. Rebound.
9.4 seconds,
Jersey number
79-75.
14.
Lamang ang Zelda.
Third personal foul penalty.
Tapos may time out na gamitin.
Free throw by Messina. No good. 9.4 seconds remaining. Timeout. Aces.
Lamang ang Zelda. 9 minutes.
Official score,
9 minutes.
80-75.
9.4.
9.4 seconds remaining.
Hindi ko pinapawali magkapalit eh. Pero sila nang bibigay sila. Pero wala daw sila. Wala kayo bukas niya. Training yun ah. Games na ba yan?
Dalawang games bukas ulit. Yan na, magkakaalaman na bukas kung sino makakapasok sa kanila sa semifinals. Aces versus Zelda. At Big Boys Sagad versus Young D.
Back to the action.
Score 80-75 lamang ang Zelda. 9.4.
$80-75. 9.4 seconds remaining. Arenas, the trigger man, to Sabado. Sabado
points.
fires, no good. 4.4
4.4.
seconds remaining.
80-75. Lamang ang Zelda. 4.4
Pablo.
seconds. Winner Zelda.
Our winner, Team Zelda.
80-75.